Let's apply De Moivre's theorem to evaluate the quantity 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2i whole thing to the power 7. For that purpose, we need to write this complex number z equal to 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2i in polar form. Let's evaluate the modulus of z, that is equal to root over real component square plus imaginary component square. That is equal to root over 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4, and that is equal to 1. So modulus of z equal to 1. So we know that r equal to modulus of z equal to 1. If we want to convert into polar form, r is nothing but modulus of the complex number. Now we have z equal to r cos theta plus I sin theta, and we found out r equal to 1. So we have z equal to cos theta plus I sin theta, and we want to equate it with the complex number 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2i. This is equal to 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 times I. Now if two complex numbers are equal, then their real parts must be equal, and so do their imaginary parts. Obviously, we should take cos theta equal to half and sin theta equal to root 3 by 2. And both should be true. And we can take theta equal to 60 degree. We observe that sin 60 degree equal to root 3 by 2 and cos 60 degree equal to 1 by 2. So we can write the complex number in polar form. Z equal to 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2i is cos 60 degree plus I sin 60 degree. I sin 60 degree. So we have written it in polar form. But the question is saying find z to the power 7. That is equal to cos 60 degree plus I sin 60 degree to the power 7. However, if we want to apply De Moivre's theorem, it's not just enough that we convert it into polar form. We just need to recall exactly what is De Moivre's theorem. De Moivre's theorem, or formula from De Moivre's theorem. What does it say? It says cos theta plus I sin theta whole thing to the power n equal to cos n theta plus I sin n theta. What n should we choose? We should choose some power n here, and we are taking given n equal to 7, the power equal to 7. So we should choose n equal to 7. So that implies, and what theta should we choose? We observe 60 degree, I sin 60 degree. So we should take theta equal to 60 degree. So z to the power 7 equal to cos 60 degree plus I sin 60 degree to the power 7, and that's by De Moivre's theorem equal to cos 7, n is 7, 7 into 60 degree plus I into sin 7 into 60 degree, sin 7 into 60 degree. Of course, we know that 7 into 60 is 420 degree, and that is cos 420 degree plus I sin 420 degree, and that's equal to cos 420 degree is equal to 1 by 2, and sin 420 degree is same as sin 60 degree, that is equal to root 3 by 2, and we are done.